Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com, and today we are in Bozeman, Montana. We are at the Hilton Garden Inn in Bozeman, and I wanted to give you a peek at this property because it's a really unique and beautiful hotel. As you can see, it's kind of got a wildlife, lodgy, western outdoor vibe here. Lots of meeting space and common areas down in the lobby part of the hotel. Just really like the feel and vibe here. Okay, so now I'll take you to show you a tour of our room. We are on the ground floor, room 135, and we are checking in at night here. So it's going to be a little bit dark, but I wanted to give you a feel of what the rooms look like before we settle in for the night. So hopefully this gives you a good idea of what things look like. Lots of good use of space, television set, desk area. Really like how they've continued that Montana outdoorsy theme on from the lobby into the rooms. Really well done. 2 queen bed room here. And as you can see, these are really similar to a lot of other Hilton Garden properties we've stayed in terms of use of space. You've got lots of storage space back here, drawers and shelves, lots of hanging space. And again, great for family travel. They've got a microwave, coffee pot and things, refrigerator in the room. Makes it super nice when you're on the go. Let me give you a peek really quick at the bathroom area. Super clean and well done. Always look for that in properties because that's so important, and true to Hilton brand, they take really good care of you with the amenities and whatnot. So there is a look at that. Again, we are in Bozeman, Montana at the Hilton Garden Inn. Give you one more peek at the room. And then I wanted to mention, as Diamond members, we really value the perks that Hilton gives. One of our favorite perks of this property is that they offer Hilton Diamond members $10 off the breakfast buffet per person up to 2 people, which is a really great savings, awesome breakfast, and a great way to start the day. So there you go. There is a look at the Hilton Garden Inn here in Bozeman, Montana. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com.